Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes. Let's continue the chapter as we have already learned in previous class about the weather, climates, the two factors that influence the climate. Student, today we are going to discuss about the rest three factor. They are distance from the sea, direction of the wind, humidity, other factors. Now start from distance from the sea. Places close to the sea are cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Places away from the sea are hotter in summer and colder in winter. The following example will be given in your book already. Just see the all examples. Example number 1. Compare the climate of Kolkata and Patna. Patna is hotter in summer and colder in winter. It is because it is farther away from the sea than Kolkata. Example number 2. We can similarly compare the climate of Patna, Kanpur, Delhi, and Amritsar. The farther a place is from the sea, the hotter it is in summer and colder in winter. See example number 3. Let's compare the climate of Kolkata and Amritsar. We know that Amritsar is farther away from the equator than Kolkata. It is also at a higher altitude than Kolkata. Thus, it should be much cooler than Kolkata, but it is not. It is much hotter than Kolkata. In summer, in winter, it is much cooler. It is much colder. It is because Amritsar is much farther away from the sea than Kolkata. Places close to the sea have a moderate climate. Their temperature does not rise much in summer and it does not drop much in winter. Students, let's see some more example to understand the distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Water heats up and cool more slowly than land. This affects the climate of a place near the sea. They are warmer in winter and cooler in summer than place far away from the sea. Our next topic is direction of the winds. Winds coming from cold region make a place cool. Winds coming from hot region make a place hot. Winds coming from the sea make a place humid. As they have a lot of moisture in them, they causes rainfall. Direction of the winds tend to flow in a particular direction in a different part of the world. They may be hot, cool, or full of moisture, depending on where they come from. For example, the monsoon winds from the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea bring rain to a large part of India. The hot winds from the Thar Desert make Delhi very hot during summer. Thus, the climate of an area is affected by the winds. Our next topic is humidity. Humidity. Place close to the sea are more humid than those that are farther away. Humid weather makes people sweat. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. It affects the climate of a place. The air over the equator is laden with water vapor as the heat of sun causes rapid evaporation of the ocean water. This causes heavy rain in the area. So the climate near the equator is hot and wet. Some other factors that influence the climate of a place are the rains, the forest, the direction of mountain ranges, and the types of soil. Students, these are the factors which influence the temperature of a place and its climates. Now see effect of climate. The climate of a place has direct effect on its vegetation and the life of people in that region. That is why people in different climatic region have different ways of lifestyle. Now student, let us summarize what we have learned in this chapter. We learn the layer of air above the surface of earth is called the atmosphere. Weather means the change that keep taking place in the atmosphere. These changes are caused by sunshine, fog, rain, clouds, winds, heat and cold. Climate is the usual weather of a place over a long period of time. The weather of a place can change from day to day, but the climate stays the same. The climate of a place depends on number of factors. They are distance from the equator, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of winds, humidity and rains, mountain ranges, kinds of soil, etc. On the basis of temperature, the earth has been divided into three zones. They are the torrid zone, the frigid zone, the temperate zone. Lastly, we learn the effect of climate. How the climate effect of life of a people living in different regions. Hope you understand. Thank you.